go. We're going.
Hey folks, Guy Blackman, Pressure Clean. We got a rust stain. It's coming from the air conditioner. I guess it's the defrost unit, the evaporative condenser pan. This happens a lot on vinyl homes, painted homes. What it is the drain is too close to the home, so when it drips down, it drips on the vinyl. So now we're going to put one of our cleaning detergents on there and actually take that rust off while you're watching. So keep an eye on it, and hope you like it. As you can see, it's coming off up here at the top. You'll see it on the white trim, and it'll disappear. We might have to give it a little education, so I'll grab a brush. All right, we'll give it a quick rinse. That's about it. Our detergent doesn't hurt flowers or will not etch the glass, will not hurt the vinyl. All it does is attack the rust, takes that out of your vinyl, your windows, roofing, concrete, and anything else. If you need our help, anytime, Pressure Kleen Power Washing Service, area code 910-876-1594. Thanks a lot.